Would you like the ears? Yeah? Do you like the ears? No?
She think they smell funny. Bless you, I sneezed.
They probably smell like poodle. Yeah? You don't like them? You take them off? She does not like the ears. Ardala. Ardala. Happy Easter, puppy. Yeah?
Are you gonna dig in the bed? No?
She says, that's all, monkey.
That's it, huh?